हाँ ओके। तो आज हम स्टडी करेंगे हेटरोट्रोपिक न्यूट्रिशन इन ह्यूमंस। हेटरोट्रोपिक न्यूट्रिशन, हेटरोट्रोपिक न्यूट्रिशन इन ह्यूमंस मतलब वी विल स्टडी अबाउट न्यूट्रिशन इन ह्यूमंस, न्यूट्रिशन ह्यूमंस। तो फर्स्ट वी सी दैट in in all humans, in all animals, there is specific system which is responsible for digestion of food or intaking of food and making energy from that food. That is called as digestion system. That is called as digestion system. Digestion system. So what are the different component of digestive system? First component is mouth. First component is mouth. Second component is oesophagus. Third component is stomach. And fourth component is small intestine. Small intestine. Or fourth component is large intestine. Large intestine. And the last component, fifth component is anus. We see that food is taken by mouth, then is transferred to oesophagus. From oesophagus, it will transfer to stomach. From stomach to small intestine to large intestine. But we see that in small intestine, there is complete digestion of food, and some food which is act as a waste material and which will not break down easily, that will transfer to large intestine. In that, it will act as a waste material which will remove by our body through anus. एनस से वो वेस्ट मटेरियल बॉडी से बाहर आ जाता है, वेस्ट मटेरियल। और इन स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन, in small intestine there is specific structure is called as microvilli, which absorbs the food which is entirely or completely digested, transferred to blood, and from the blood and from the digested food in blood we gain energy. That is a simple process. We see here in and now we see entire with help of figure, with help of diagram, and what is the different mechanism which are responsible of for digestion of food. First we see that first component is mouth. First component is mouth, ठीक है, and second component is oesophagus. फर्स्ट वी सी दैट माउथ में जब फूड एंटर होता है तो देन व्हाट हैपन्स, क्या होता है? तो माउथ हैज थ्री कंपोनेंट्स. फर्स्ट टीथ. फर्स्ट टीथ. व्हाट इज फंक्शन ऑफ टीथ? जब फूड एंटर्स होता है तो टीथ है फूड को क्या करते हैं, च्यू करते हैं. लार्ज जो फूड के पार्टिकल्स हैं उनको स्मॉलर पार्टिकल में कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं. तो फंक्शन ऑफ टीथ इज च्यू ऑफ फूड. नंबर 2 कौन सा है? टंग. टंग मतलब जीभ. तो व्हाट इज फंक्शन ऑफ टंग? इज मिक्सिंग ऑफ सलाइवा. मिक्सिंग ऑफ सलाइवा विथ फूड. फूड को सलाइवा के साथ मिक्स करता है टंग. और इन सलाइवा देयर इज एंजाइम कॉल्ड एज एमाइलेज, called as amylase, which break down starch. Because the food which we take has three component, always keep in mind, has three component. फूड के थ्री कंपोनेंट होते हैं जो हम लेते हैं. फर्स्ट स्टार्च होता है उसमें, सेकंड प्रोटीन होता है, और थर्ड क्या होता है उसके अंदर, लिपिड होता है. ऑलवेज कीप इन माइंड these three components form food which we take. So first in mouth, with help of the saliva, in that amylase enzyme is present, that is responsible for breakdown or digestion of starch. After then food will go to oesophagus, and oesophagus, in oesophagus there is alternatively contraction expansion, अल्टरनेटिवली कॉन्ट्रैक्शन एक्सपांशन से फूड धीरे 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 क्या आएगा, नीचे आएगा, और नीचे आके कहाँ पे जाएगा वो फूड, फूड विल इंटर इन आवर स्टमक, फूड विल इंटर इन आवर स्टमक, फूड विल इंटर इन आवर स्टमक. नाउ वी सी दैट इन माउथ देयर इज 95% स्टार्च will break down because of amylase enzyme, but after that food will enter through oesophagus. Keep in mind there is no activity in oesophagus with regarding digestion. There is no activity with it. Okay, in oesophagus there is no activity regarding digestion. Only it is responsible for movement of food from mouth to stomach. In stomach में क्या होता है, there is three component. First HCl, पेप्सिन और म्यूकस. ठीक है, मीन्स स्टमक सिक्रेटेड जूस विच इज स्टमक जूस या गैस्ट्रिक जूस दैट कंटेन्स HCl, पेप्सिन, म्यूकस. HCl is acid which provides acidic medium to food, and pepsin which is enzyme responsible for breakdown of protein, which we have studied the component of food. Number third, mucus is responsible for the protection of stomach wall, because there is too much acid, then acid will act on stomach wall and cause acidity, which we call as acidity. ठीक है, तो जो स्टमक वॉल की जो प्रोटेक्शन करेगा वो कौन करेगा, म्यूकस. उसका फंक्शन एक ही है. एंड म्यूकस इज सिक्रेटेड बाय द ग्लैंड्स विच आर प्रेजेंट इन स्टमक वॉल. स्टमक वॉल पे क्या होती है, सम ग्लैंड्स होती है जो म्यूकस सिक्रेट करती है, जो स्टमक की जो वॉल है उसका प्रोटेक्शन करती है. अंडरस्टूड. तो इट इज दीज आर कंपोनेंट ऑफ गैस्ट्रिक जूस या स्टमक जूस. स्टमक जूस कीप इन माइंड. तो मीन्स देयर इज nothing but acidic medium or pepsin which will digest protein. After then food will enter in small intestine. Food will enter small intestine. But there is a muscle which will control. There is a muscle which will control. There is a muscle which will control the food material which goes from stomach to small intestine. That muscle is called a sphincter muscle. Keep in mind sphincter muscle, because that controls the movement. ये small intestine है. Now see, in stomach there was acidic medium, but in small intestine there should be basic medium, because there are different enzymes which acts only in presence of basic medium but not in acidic medium. So that first that medium have to convert it into basic medium. For that there is some two component, there is two organs which are linked with small intestine, is called as liver and pancreas. Liver will secrete bile juice, or pancreas will secrete pancreatic juice. Understood? Pancreatic juice will convert acidic medium to basic medium. यहाँ से वो acidic को basic में convert कर देगा. Now we have studied that there is digestion of protein and there is starch, but there is lipid which is completely undigested. So for that there in small intestine there is fat particles on which enzymes act. But before that, that particles have converted into smaller particles. For that, only bile juice is responsible. In that, there is presence of bile salt. That bile salts are responsible for breakdown of large fat molecule into smaller fat molecules. Smaller fat molecules convert कर देते हैं. After that, pancreatic juice has also two components. First is lipase enzyme, and other is trypsin enzyme. Trypsin enzyme. Lipase enzyme will act on small fat molecules and convert into fatty acid and glycerol. लाइपेज एंजाइम है वो किस पे एक्ट करेगा, जो यहाँ पे बाइल सॉल्ट ने लिपिड के फैट के मॉलिक्यूल से उसको स्मॉलर में कन्वर्ट कर दिया था, उस पर वो लाइपेज एंजाइम एक्ट करेगा, उसको फैटी एसिड और किस में कन्वर्ट कर देगा, ग्लिसरॉल में कन्वर्ट कर देगा, और बाकी का जो रिमेनिंग जो प्रोटीन है उसको ट्रिप्सिन फाइनली उसको क्या कर देगा, डिग्रेड कर देगा. मीन्स देयर इज इन स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन 99% complete digestion occurs. Besides that, in small intestine, there is presence of glands that will also help in digestion by converting smaller and smaller molecules. Like that, ग्लूकोज को और स्मॉलर में कन्वर्ट करेगा और पेप्टाइड्स को फाइनली वो किस में कन्वर्ट कर देगा, एमाइनो एसिड में कन्वर्ट करेगा, एंड फैटी एसिड एंड ग्लिसरॉल बनाएगा. मतलब आफ्टर एक्टिंग glands which we called as small intestine glands, there is complete digestion of food. Now, if we see the zoomed structure of small intestine wall, अगर हम स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन की जो वॉल है उसको अगर हम जूम करके देखेंगे तो देयर इज फिंगर लाइक प्रोजेक्शन इन इंटेस्टाइन वॉल विच इज कॉल्ड एज माइक्रोविलाई that is responsible for absorption of digested food, and these microvilli are connected with blood vessels. That digested food which is absorbed by the microvilli are sent to blood vessels, and in blood vessels the food is used for making energy. In this process we obtain energy by this mechanism. Now, means small intestine is a site where complete digestion occurs, the food which we take. Now it will go to large intestine, but keep in mind, in large intestine there is not too much process occurs, only there is microvilli that is responsible for absorbing digested food, and the food which is not digested it will send to anus, it will send to stored, and after that it will remove by body through anus waste material. और स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में डाइजेस्टेड फूड है वो क्या एब्जॉर्ब हो जाएगा, बट बाकी का जो भी डाइजेस्ट फूड बचा हुआ है वो किस में फिर से एब्जॉर्ब होगा, लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन में, एंड आफ्टर दैट it the undigested food which will go to as stored material, and after some time it will remove by our body through anus. Okay, understood? So entire this mechanism is very important mechanism that we food takes and make energy, and waste material we remove from our body. ठीक है, तो this system is called as digestion system, or these are the component of the system. Or so This system is most important for taking food and making energy, so that it is called as the digestion system. These are important mechanisms by which food is entirely digested, and some food is not digested, that will go to as stored material and go to anus and then will remove. Okay, this is in digestive system. So in next lecture we will study about next topic, that is heterotrophic nutrition amoeba, and next topic. And but in this we see that why it is called as hetero, because we take food, that food is made by plants, so that we can't make and we don't make the food, so that it is called as heterotrophic nutrition. Okay.